We are entering a new digital age where many technologies are going to begin to permeate everything and every business process. We're all familiar with how innovations such as machine learning, robotics, drones, blockchains, 5G, additive manufacturing, virtual reality, synthetic biology, and many more are beginning to reshape the social and the economic landscape. However, when all is said and done, it is going to be the convergence of three that is going to be foundational for business: artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the Internet of Things. To paraphrase Corinthians 13:13, now these three things remain: AI, blockchain, and the IoT. Okay, that last part wasn't in the Bible. But the greatest of these is none, technically. It is their combination. Call it the Trivergence. First, a primer. The Internet of Things describes the growing connectivity of everyday objects and the physical world to the Internet. Today's IoT applications range from the mundane, such as your fridge ordering milk from Amazon, to the miraculous, like internet-connected glucose monitors that remind diabetes patients to take their insulin, while also permitting physicians to monitor their conditions in real time. AI describes the ability for computers to perform tasks that used to require human intelligence, from writing investment memos, to writing poetry, to writing code, to generating art and music. Large language models have hit this tipping point, it seems, where daily breakthroughs have kind of obliterated our long-held views about what we thought AI can and can't do. And of course, blockchains have unleashed Web3. They enable us to store, manage, and organize anything of value: money, securities, IP, deeds, contracts, new digital assets like governance tokens and protocol tokens in a secure, private, and peer-to-peer way. With Web3, as we know, we achieve trust not necessarily through intermediaries like banks or stock exchanges or some other trusted third party, but through a combination of cryptography, collaboration, and some clever code. So how do these technologies come together? Well, let's consider just one example: AI and Web3. Large language models, LLMs, what ChatGPT has helped to popularize over the last few months, rely on mountains of data, and some observers have genuine concerns that AI practitioners are using data without the creator's knowledge, consent, or fair compensation for the use of their assets. So what's the Web3 solution? How does that work? Well, individuals will tokenize their data in the future with watermarks, so that every time someone actually uses that data, the creator gets compensated. They receive a payment. Will this throttle AI research by making data harder to access or more expensive to procure? Or will it lead to bigger and better pools of data that will accelerate this industry while protecting creators and securing privacy? Today, digital conglomerates, the big sort of leaders in AI, are hoarding data in these silos that they control, which is unfortunate because it keeps that data hidden from an eager open source community who could otherwise harness that information while also kind of muddying and obscuring their origin. A fresh solution where we can both anonymize data while tracking its provenance would lead to more advanced AI models, which we can then use for a wide range of applications in important areas like healthcare, education, government, technology, business, and much more. Of course, each of these foundational technologies of the Trivergence is powerful on their own. However, when viewed together, each is transformed. This is a classic case of the whole being greater than the sum of its parts.